Hey guys, it's Jadey. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be opening a package I got from Amazon, so let's get straight into the video. So here is my package, and basically, I'm just going to open it. You're going to see my reactions. We're going to test it, and yeah. They have like different tape, like that's different. Alright. Oh, sorry. Come on, it's strong. So I have it out of the box, and now we're going to open it. I don't know if I'm going to put this in the title, but I'm opening a little tripod that I got for my phone, so I'm just going to open it. Alright, that's an inside of the water. I think so. Oh, that's cool. Here's this. Is this surgeon? No, it's supposed to be around. Oh, this is right now. So this is in here. Oh, we gotta take that. And this is turn. I feel like this should be able to rotate. What are you? Okay, so I was confused for a second because I thought it was going to rotate more, but it actually does. It goes, this part can go all the way down. You just have to get it in this little buddy right here. I don't know how you even describe that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has the flexible stand, so you could wrap it around something and then it would stay in place. It doesn't go any taller than this, I don't think, but I don't know. It looks nice. So now I'm just going to try and put my phone in it, and hopefully it fits. Oh my gosh, I got my phone. Hang on, that's crooked. Gosh, I got my phone on it, and look at this setup now. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about this. Let's do a little overall review here of it. I paid $15, around $15 total. There was, I think, this tripod was $11 or $12, and it was like $2 something for this extra warranty thing that I decided to get as well. So far my phone fits in it really easily. It moves around smoothly, and the little bendy legs actually hold it up really nicely, and I should probably try and wrap it around something, see how that works. Oh, that sounds so fun. So I have it wrapped around a leg of this little baby side table, and it's holding on so well. That's so fun. Here's it wrapped around the table, and you can totally see what the finished tripod looks like. Wow, this is so fun. I can also show you how bendy the legs are. They just move super smoothly. So yeah, you can kind of see that. They're definitely like, they're not flimsy or anything, but they do move pretty nice. So, why do you want to fall? That's the only thing about this. Like, it definitely stays in put, but there's just one spot, of course, exactly where I want my phone to be, and it just falls the tiniest bit, but it's not that bad. I mean, like, this will probably be my kind of new filming location, so it looks fine. Also, you can hold it and it'll kind of be like a selfie stick. That's fun. That'd be like vlogging. Ooh, okay, that's so fun. And then, ooh, I like this. I can hold it out. Fun. And also, it's pretty small, and when you fold it all up, it does not take up a lot of space. So you could just put this in a drawer, slide it under something, and it definitely wouldn't take up too much space at all. So it came with this little remote control, and I don't know what to do with it. Like, you can turn it on and off, so when I turn it on and click the little button, it flashes. But I don't know what the point, and then you turn it off. Oh, maybe, and then there's another little button, and then you turn it off and the light goes off. So I don't know what that does. The directions and figured it out that you can get this little app, and I think then you can press the button and you don't have to like actually turn on your camera. So let's get the app and try that out. So I'm not gonna figure out this whole little app thing right now. I'll do that later. I don't have time for that right now. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing kind of review, kind of me being happy thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Should I like cover the camera like all those YouTubers do? Like, Oh no, I can't reach the button. Let's try that again. And see you guys in the next one.